guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to do the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. I'm going to be doing 3 different videos for Walgreens. So this one is the normal must-do deals. I will be doing a separate video using those amazing boosters that I posted on my Instagram and community tab yesterday for the purchase-based boosters. So there's $3 off of 15, 5 off of 15, 5 off of 12, and 5 off of 20, I believe. So check your accounts. It will be under the household tab when you click weekly adding coupons. Then go to the household tab and just scroll through. Mine was all the way at the bottom. See if you have them. If you do, clip the ones you're going to use. I clipped all the $5 off ones. If you wind up not wanting to use them, you can always remove them, but you want to make sure that you clip them before they disappear. I know last week, some of you guys, they disappeared on you, unfortunately, so make sure that that does not happen to you guys again. Also, we are going to be doing a separate video for the beauty event going on next week. So the beauty event is going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so keep a lookout in your accounts for the digital spend booster for the beauty event. That one is going to make it huge moneymakers if you're able to get that coupon or digital booster and stack it with the paper booster. So stay tuned on the channel for all of those different videos to help you guys stack up on tons and tons of points at Walgreens. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Tons of amazing deals and things going on with the channel. My merchandise line did finally launch on YouTube. Took about a week and a half, but I'm super excited about that. Ran into one of my subscribers yesterday, Jamie, at CVS, so we were chatting a little bit, and she mentioned that she did just start seeing it under my videos. So super excited about that. I'm adding new merchandise and everything every single week, so I will be doing another giveaway on the channel to be able to win one of those products in my new merchandise line. So make sure you guys check it out. I will post how to enter the video, or not the video, enter the giveaway on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So stay tuned on the channel for that. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. I do have a moneymaker scenario combining a couple boosters, so I will go over that with you guys at the end. So there are 2 rebate apps we're going to want to be using next week, as we use every week, Ibotta and Fetch Rewards. So for Dunkin', the K-Cups and the ground coffee are going to be on sale for $5.99 next week, which is not a bad price. So one deal you can do is grab the K-Cups, the 10-pack for $5.99. Ibotta has a 75-cent cashback rebate. Check your accounts. It could vary. You may get $1 cashback. You may get a little less. So just check your account and see what your account has. Final cost is $5.24. If you're not signed up on Ibotta, here is my referral code. Make sure you put that in so you can start earning a bunch of bonuses and join my team. We can help each other get our monthly bonuses of 50 cents, $1, $2 back. So that's why it's awesome to make sure that we're joining the same team. Olay and Old Spice body wash next week is buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I already used all my 4 off of 2 and $8 off 4 digital coupons. Drop a comment. Let me know if you haven't used those yet, what the expiration date is. I can't remember if it was expiring this week or if those expired on the 13th. So drop a comment. Let me know if those coupons are still available. Of course, that would make this deal even better. If not, there is a $1 off 2 digital for the Olay and for the Old Spice. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Olay for $12, use that digital coupon. You'll pay $11, get back a $4 register reward. Final cost is $7 for both, or $3.50 each. Arm & Hammer is back again with the buy 1, get 2 free sale, which is the best time to stock up on Arm & Hammer. Sometimes we do get $1 off Arm & Hammer coupons, and they'll be on sale for $2.99, so you can get them for $1.99. but this is still an amazing deal. Now in store, they're showing $6.99. Online, they're $4.99. So if you can order them online, definitely do so. This would be a great deal to do, especially if you're going to be using the Rakuten app. You'll get an additional 3% cash back using Rakuten. So if you're not using Rakuten yet, when you're doing any of your online shopping, if you're shopping for Father's Day, I did post a link on my Instagram this morning for making sure you guys get your Father's Day orders in. That is June 15th, I believe. So you want to make sure you get those in. And Rakuten has a lot of double percent cash back for a lot of good Father's Day stores. So they have Nike, they have Adidas, Samsung, they have Old Navy, Gillette as well. So definitely check it out. The link is going to be in the description box to get an additional $10 back when you spend $25. So you have to make sure you use that link if you want to get that additional cash back. So that can make your Father's Day gift really inexpensive, but of course go a long way and show your dad how much you love him and appreciate him. Okay, so this deal, if you're doing it in store, is $6.99. 2 of them will be free. So if you're using this towards any of your spend boosters, you can only count $6.99 towards your total. So if you're doing like a spend 20, get 5,000 point booster, only add $6.99 towards your total because 2 are going to ring up as 0. Your final cost will be $2.23 each. If you're able to do this online, your final cost would be $1.66 each. Colgate, finally the Optic White. I have no Optic White left in my stockpile, so I'm really excited about this deal. And we want to rack up on register rewards so that we can use them to lower our out-of-pocket cost during the beauty event. I have some register rewards that are going to expire like Monday, Tuesday, unfortunately. So I'm going to use those in my Monday haul, but I want to make sure that I get more register rewards back so I can use them Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for that beauty event. This is a great, great deal to do. So they're $2.99. You can use 2 50-cent coupons from the 531 Smart Source insert. You'll pay $4.98 and you'll get back a $4 register reward. So hopefully we'll get some more amazing Colgate digitals and Crest digitals. We've been super, super spoiled on those. We do have a $5 off 3 Colgate. So if you want to use that coupon, you will only get a $4 register reward back. But the separate deal on that, if you buy 3 of them, would be $8.97. Use that $5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.97, get back a $4 register reward. So your final cost is going to be completely free for all 3 of them. So that is another way of doing the deal and a nice freebie. Crest is buy 3, get a $3 register reward. They also have the buy 2, get 4,000 point deal that I've been doing week over week and getting so many moneymaker deals on that. I did also post a swag buck deal, getting 65 swag bucks, which is 65 cents back on Crest. So I posted that on my Instagram as well. If you don't follow me yet, make sure you head over there and follow me, Bree the Coupon Queen. Anytime there's additional rebates or Ibotta rebates, printable coupons, I post it on my Instagram for you guys. So that's where you can get additional savings and information. So if you use the 5 off 3 for this, again, we want to rack up on register rewards. That's why I chose to show you this deal. They're $2.99 each. Using that 5 off of 3 digital, you'll pay $3.97. Get back a $3 register reward, making them just 33 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. I have been seeing some of the smaller Colgate mouthwashes are also included. So just double check your area, see what you guys want to put together for this deal. Shea Moisture. This is going to be an amazing, amazing deal. Now, it does say down here, select varieties. So we're not exactly sure what is going to be included. We'll have to wait on Sunday and see what updates online and in store. But if these are included, it's going to be amazing. So the Shea Moisture Curl Cream is $3.99. Some stores, like mine, are $4.29, but still super cheap. The second one would be $1.99. Now, there is a $6 off 2 coupon we're getting. We're getting a digital and we're going to be getting them in our Sunday insert. So fingers crossed everyone gets that coupon because it is amazing. If not, I would order your coupons online like ASAP. So I go to thecouponmarketplace.com. Their shipping time has been a lot faster lately because a lot of things are starting to open. There's not as many delays in shipping, which is awesome. So I would definitely recommend when they post that it is available, like run on there and grab a couple. So that way you can do some of these deals. If this works, a big if, it will be completely free. Now you want to also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Currently on my account, it is showing bonus for Shea Moisture 8 times the points back. So I don't exactly know how many points that will be, but still a great deal, extra bonus points. And if you don't use Fetch Rewards yet, use this code J24VT. You'll get an additional 2,750 points. You can cash those out for gift cards. I always usually do Home Depot and CVS. Home Depot to update all my house and all the nonsense that goes wrong with my house, but CVS so that I'd never have to pay anything out of pocket. So that's why I love that rebate app. Bic Pens, trying to share a bunch of great deals and donation item deals, especially to different schools. So the Bic Pens, again, it says select varieties for the pens or the whiteout. The assorted pens are $2.99. So if they're included, this will be an amazing deal. The second one would be $1.49. There was a $2 off to printable coupon. I don't think it's available anymore, but double check. It could come back. You never know. You'll wind up paying $2.49 for both or just $1.25 each, which is an amazing, amazing deal for some pens. And I personally love Bic Pens. I have the assorted color ones right now, and I use like lime green and pink and purple and all those cute colors when I'm working, and my notebook is just beautiful right now. Okay, so now I have two different scenarios for you. One is going to be just using the spend 20, get 5,000 point digital booster. This is what the digital booster looks like. It did pop up this week. It says sneak peek because it's going to be available for next week's deals. So if you have it, clip it, send it to your card. You can always unclip it if you want. So I have it clipped to my card. I am going to be stacking it with another booster that I will show you in the next slide. If you have this booster, what you can do is grab 2 Olay for $12 and 3 Crest at $8.97. Total is going to be $20.97. The coupons, you have $1 for the Olay and 5 off 3 for the Crest would be $6 off. You'll pay $14.97. You can use up to 3 register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. The current week, there are tons of register reward deals. Most of them are like $4 register rewards back. So if you use 3 of those, that would take off $12. So you would only be paying $2.97 plus taxes out of pocket. So roughly like $5 out of pocket, which is super, super hot deal. Then you're going to get back 5,000 points for the booster, $4 register reward for the Olay deal, and a $3 register reward for the Crest deal. So your final cost is $2.97 for 5 items, which is awesome. So that is one option of what you can do. Okay, and this is another deal that you can do. So this would be combining the digital booster and the paper booster. The paper boosters print out at the register reward machine. Sometimes the cashiers have some extra laying around that they've given me in the past, so you can always ask and check on the floor, check in carts. You never know. Sometimes people just don't know what they are. They don't use them. They don't coupon, and they'll just kind of throw them away. So these are not linked to anyone's account or anything. So if you do find one, you can use it. So you would have to spend at least $30. $29.99 will not work. It has to be $30 or more after any Walgreens or IVC coupons. The deal I'm going to show you, there's no Walgreens or IVC coupons, so we don't have to worry about that. So what you can do is buy 3 Crest for $8.97, 2 Soap & Glory masks. Those are part of a deal, mix and match, buy 2, get the 3rd free. So the free one is going to be the Soap & Glory mask because that one is the lesser value. Then you're going to buy 1 of the bath bombs for $5. Then 3 of the Colgate for that additional deal that I had told you guys about for $8.97. 2 Shea Moisture, again, hoping those are included, $3.99 and then $1.99 because those are going to be buy one, get one half off next week. So your total is going to come to $32.92 plus taxes. So we're above $30, green light, we will get all those points back. The coupons you're going to need: 5 off of 3 Colgate, 5 off of 3 Crest, and the 6 off 2 Shea Moisture. All of those are digital. If we don't get the 6 off 2 Shea Moisture digital, it is coming in the Sunday inserts. So that'll take off $16 right there. Here is the final breakdown. You'll be left to pay $16.92. You can use up to 7 different register rewards, but obviously you won't need to use that many unless you're using the $1.29 ones from the free Mentos this week. If you haven't gotten yours, make sure you go grab that. So most of the register rewards I have are $4. So if you use 3 of them, that would take off $12. Or you can use 4 of them and that'll take off $16. You'd pay 92 cents plus taxes, get back 5,000 points for the digital booster, 6,000 points for the paper booster, $3 register reward for the Crest, and a $4 register reward from the Colgate. Now on Ibotta, there are $1 cash back for Soap and Glory Facial. So the masks are typically included. Make sure you scan it. Sometimes the different scents of the masks are included and some aren't. So always scan it and double check. And it's a limit of 2. That's why we got 2 of those masks. And $1 back for the Soap and Glory bath bombs. Submit to fetch rewards for bonus points on Shea Moisture. So your final cost is going to be completely free and a $4.08 moneymaker. So an amazing, amazing scenario to start your week off. Then, of course, we have that beauty event going on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Check your register rewards. I have a lot that are going to be expiring Sunday and Monday, so I will have to use them during this deal, get more register rewards back so I can use them for the beauty event. So you definitely want to make sure that those do not expire on you. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, anyone who could use some additional savings. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.